Hey guys, I'm back at the restore. I want to start in back actually, so we'll circle back out here. There's Grant. Everybody say hi to Grant.
Hi.
Oh, Grant says hi. There's Craig. Everybody say hi to Craig.
Here, I'll show you my new card.
Oh, Craig's got a new card. So don't you need your daughter's name on there?
No.
Because of the truck?
I could put her name on the
Yeah.
truck maybe as a thing. Here, I'll put one over
Yeah, tape one to the counter. So I'm taking this stuff home. This you guys have seen before. This came in today, same thing. And a slimline minus the switch cap. That's gonna go in my car after I'm done with the video. I cleaned up this area over here in preparation for hanging some fans in the store. So for the most part, what's left over here is just blades and stuff that probably won't get hung in the store. Well, the Raphael might. Depends how low it hangs. So I want to show you guys this. This has been here for a while, but I haven't had a chance to show it. It's like a halogen Saturn kit. Nobody buys it. I'll probably put it on a fan in the store, or I'll just put it out for sale, I guess. Same with that kit. There's two Panamas left, one there and then one that's new in the box. The Hermosa's left. The Venus is left. That light kit needs a home too. That wind with the remote probably won't go out in the store because it has a remote, so that needs a home. Those are going to go out in the store if they let me, assuming they let me. I mean, again, the answer I got before was yes, and then the boss shut it down, but that boss no longer is the boss. So I'm thinking it'll be a yes this time, but you know. So there's where all those fans are. And then up there is still stuff to put out for sale that we haven't gotten to yet. That's the only thing that's down here.
They talk her into like just driving around with toes on her truck. I don't think they would have
Well, they come off right away.
Grant's working on this copper Hunter copy. That's pretty cool. Nothing new in the display. Those are still here. These got returned. We don't officially take returns, but Craig let them. You guys saw those in a previous video. Still here. Went out today. Someone moved it. Still here. Went out today. Still here. Still here. Still here. Went out today. Still here. Still here. Went out today. Still here. Still here. Someone moved this Emerson over here. I assumed they were going to buy it and then change their mind. Still here. How you doing? Sold a couple from up here. Close to the end of the day, otherwise we would have filled it in. Still here, still here. Oh, Craig, or Grant stuck that little one up there. Okay. I think that's everything. So you've seen no point in doing a different display video because the display is the same. Thanks for watching.